SONAX Active Foam Energy is an extreme foaming car wash soap that lifts away dirt from all the hard exterior surfaces of your vehicle. Actifoam Energy only attacks the contaminants on the vehicle and is safe to use on decals, stickers, paint protection film, paint, plastics, glass, wheels and rims. It's also safe on all waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings. Actifoam Energy has a pleasant scent and is pH neutral. The highly concentrated soap formula will clean several dozen vehicles with a single bottle. For best results, dilute Actifoam Energy 1 to 30 with a foam cannon or foam gun. Or Actifoam Energy may also be used in traditional 2-bucket system. Dilute SONAX Actifoam Energy 1 to 30 when using a foam cannon or foam gun. Simply spray the product on and allow to dwell. When using a traditional 2-bucket wash system, use a SONAX microfiber sponge to wash the car. With either system, simply rinse away the foam. Be sure to dry your vehicle with a SONAX microfiber. Extreme foaming formula. Dilutes 1 to 30. pH neutral formula. Phosphate free. SONAX has been an innovator since 1950 and is synonymous with the highest standards in the car care industry. SONAX is the #1 brand in Germany and the leading brand in Europe. Innovation, cutting-edge technology, and superior product performance. For more information, visit sonaxusa.com.